ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕಲಿಯೋದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀವನ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಕಲಿಸೋದನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮನೆ ಮಗಳಾದ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡುವ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುವ ದಿನ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಾದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಶಾರದಾ ದೇವಿಯ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಲೆಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Coordinator of kindergarten. Today in our school, we organize Aksharabhyasa. Aksharabhyasa is also known as Vidyadanda. It is a traditional Hindu ceremony that marks the initiation of a child into the world of learning. The ceremony is typically performed when a child is between the age of 0 to 5. While traditionally a religious and cultural event, Aksharabhyasa is now also celebrated in schools and educational institutions, emphasizing the universal value of education. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today we had organized Saraswati Homa and Aksharabhyasa in our school. I would like to thank each and every parent who had attended the puja, and the priest had taken the puja very well. He had organized the puja very well, and he made the kids also to write Om and the rice. And they believe that Saraswati lies in their tongue. They put honey also to the kids. And I would like to thank each and everyone who had organized so well, and they maintained so well. And we think that Saraswati stays in us, lives in.
In our school, we are giving Credo curriculum for pre-KG till 3rd standard. And we are also giving the activities such as yoga, dance, music, Credo facility and van facility. This year we are going to adopt handwriting class. It is called as ambidextrous, which is used to be written in the two hands.
I thank all my dear children's parents and teachers for making this program grand successful. Thank you.